What's up, Captain Alfonso here from Atlantic Marine in another beautiful repower. This one is really nice. This is a Boston Whaler, a 21 Montauk that got completely repowered, and we also did some add-ons. So come with me and check this ride out. All right, we're picking up this Boston Whaler. Let's get a complete overhaul. Boat US just dropped it off here for us at Caribbean Beach. Nice throw. Customer did not have a trailer nor truck, but we have trucks, we have trailers. We came down here to Key Largo, picked it up at Caribbean Beach Club, and now we're going back to Atlantic Marine, where it's gonna have a brand new outboard, brand new steering, brand new Garmin, brand new sound system. Pretty much the customer's doing a nice overhaul on this beautiful Whaler. Right now we're in the back of the boat where it has the beautiful 200 Suzuki fly-by-wire. The customer also upgraded the steering to a C-Star steering by Dometic, which is really nice. New steering cables, new rigging tube as well. This motor's currently on, it's a 4-cylinder, and this boat's doing close to 45 miles an hour. If you come to the console, I'm gonna show you some of the cool stuff. Check this out. So right now, we're in the console area of this beautiful Boston Whaler. We changed the helm with the C-Star. We put the Suzuki controller, the key switch, and the SMG 4 gauge. Customer also wanted an upgraded electronic, so we went with Garmin. This boat is ready for the water. The customer is going to be extremely happy. It cruises at 30 miles an hour, doing 2.7 miles per gallon. Top speed is 44 miles an hour, and this customer is going to have a great time in the water next summer. Wait, I forgot another thing. We also put a Fusion radio. Cannot forget about the sound system, especially if you live in Miami. You know everybody loves that sound. So this customer is going to receive its boat. We're going to send it back to Key Largo where it goes, and he's going to be extremely happy. Remember, this customer had no trailer, no truck, but we took care of that. And not only that, we gave him the best price in town. That is right. Bring us any quote from any competitor that we're gonna beat them, and you're gonna be extremely happy because you're repowered with the best Atlantic Marine. See you guys later. Have a fun one, and please follow us and subscribe on our YouTube channel, Atlantic Marine Store.